Good morning, children. Today we learn about past statement. Past statement is also a jump statement like break and continue. Past means nothing. This statement does nothing. It is used for empty statements and it is used when syntactically a statement is required but the program does not require any action. Use of past statement in loops while using while true we can use a pass. Pass means busy wait for keyboard interrupt means we are waiting. We syntactically we required statements in the body of a while loop but our program does not require any action, so we have used pass here. Pass means empty, nothing. It is used in functions. It makes a controller to pass by without executing any code. For example, def my pass. If we does not use pass here, the error message will be shown. Print my program. Then output will be my program. So we can use past statement in loops, either in while loop or in for loop, and in functions also we can use a past statement. If we required statements but we don't want to give any statement, then we use past statement. Now for example, we have a code for I in initial. If I equals to I pass, else print. So when the value of I is equals to I, means if we are comparing the value of a I control variable with a value I, if both the values are equal, we use a pass, means we don't want to give any statement, we just move on. So we write here pass. So for I, first time value of I is I, then just pass. Again we go in the top of the loop. For I in n we print n. Same we print T A L. Continue forces the loop to start at the next iteration, while pass means there is no code to execute here and will continue through the remainder or the loop body. So this is how we can use past statements in our programs. Thank you.